Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudinku Foodies. Today I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite baking recipes, which is cinnamon rolls. Not just the regular ones, these are apple cinnamon rolls. These fluffy rolls are eggless, vegan, dairy-free and free from any refined sugar, and a filling which is made with only 3 ingredients, apple, cinnamon and dates, combined together to make these buns irresistibly yummy. Although these rolls taste amazing as they are, but when paired with the cashew cream glaze, you can't help but become an instant fan of these soft and delicious bites. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So we'll start by soaking the dates for the filling. We are going to soak them for around 1 hour. Now we have to activate the yeast. For that, we'll heat up 1/3 cup of milk. Once it's warm enough, turn up the heat and add sugar and yeast. Before adding the yeast, make sure the milk is not hot. It should be warm, otherwise it will kill the yeast and we have to do this all over again. Give it a quick mix and let it rest for 10 minutes until it becomes foamy and bubbly. Meanwhile, into a bowl, we'll add all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1.5 tablespoon sugar. I'm using brown sugar, you can use white sugar as well. Now we'll add 2 tablespoon oil, and as you can see, the yeast is foamy and bubbly. That means it's activated. We'll add this into a flour mixture. Now we are going to knead this into a soft dough. The dough seems a little dry, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water and knead again until it turns into a soft dough. Now we are going to cover the dough and let it rest for around 1 to 1.5 hours or until it doubles in size. In the meantime, we'll prepare the filling. We are going to add soaked dates into the blender and give it a good blend. It requires some more water for it to blend smoothly, so we'll add that and give it a blend again. And now we are going to add 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and blend it one last time. And the date paste is ready. Now let's check on the dough. The dough has risen, it has doubled up in size, and now we are going to make the rolls. If your dough is sticky, make sure to dust some flour before rolling. Flatten out the dough and spread the dates paste evenly. Now we'll grate an apple and spread it as well on the dates layer evenly. We'll gently roll the dough. Now using a sharp knife, cut this into 6 small rolls. Now we are going to arrange the rolls into a parchment paper lined baking pan. Cover the rolls and let them rest for around 30 to 40 minutes. Do make sure to preheat the oven 15 minutes before the baking. It's been 40 minutes and let's check on the rolls. And as you can see, the rolls have doubled up in size. That means it's time to bake them. We are going to bake them at 190 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And the vegan cinnamon rolls are ready. I'm pairing them with my super quick and healthy cashew cream glaze. You can click on the link above to check out its recipe. And to make it vegan, all you need to do is replace honey with pure maple syrup and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you are yet to try apple cinnamon rolls, give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon and keep watching for such amazing recipes from Taboo Dingo Foodies. Till then, happy eating. I'll see you next time.